you guys have been asking for bot reviews for a long time, and we are finally going to get into them on the channel. We're going to go over all the bots that you guys see on a weekly basis on Resale Life, and we're going to start with none other than Prism AIO. And guys, quick notice, if you want a copy of Prism AIO, I heard that it really increases your chance on the next Prism AIO restock if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So if you haven't done those things already, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. What's up guys, it's solestate, and we are here with a bot review, and today we're going to be reviewing Prism AIO, and I'm going to go ahead and switch you guys over to the second screen so you guys can check out Prism AIO in all of its glory. You guys know I rave about Prism AIO all the time on the channel. I use it in every single Resale Life episode because it is extremely consistent. And that is what I love most about the bots that I use. I value consistency over everything. I want to see that a bot performs really well on drop after drop after drop on multiple sites, and Prism AIO definitely checks off all of those boxes. So let's go ahead and start with the first screen that you guys see here. I haven't had Prism AIO for very long. As you guys can see, we've had 44 checkouts, totaling about $6,600. Over here, this is the weekly release calendar. As you guys can see, you click on it and it shows you all the shoes that are going to be releasing during that specific time period, and it can help you create tasks. Super simple. Down here, it shows your recent checkouts, and it also shows your success rate, your total tasks down here at the bottom, as well as your running task. Obviously, right now, I have 0 running tasks. Now, there are a lot of things that people don't know about Prism that I want to kind of enlighten you guys on and tell you a little bit more about what it can do for you as far as just on a drop-by-drop basis. Now, if there's one thing that I really want to point out, it is the task monitoring function of Prism. Now, Prism down here has right here where it says monitor info. It allows you to put in the product that you're looking for, the proxy list that you would like to use, and obviously the delays. Now, essentially, when we look at this monitoring function that Prism has, basically what this is going to do for you guys is it is going to monitor the product to see if it's in stock or if the product is live yet. If the product is not live, obviously you will see waiting for product, and then whenever that product does go live, your individual task will start trying to check out. Now, one question that people have all the time is the proxies that you use over here for your monitoring proxies, do they have to match up with the proxies that you use over here in your task? And the answer is no. You can use 2 different proxy groups. It doesn't matter what you want to use. If you want to create multiple tasks with multiple proxies, you could do that, and your monitor list can be completely different. So that is one of the functions that sets Prism apart as far as its monitoring features. Now, another thing that I want to touch on for you guys that a lot of people don't use and a lot of people don't see is the shortcut function. Now, up on the screen right now is all of the Prism shortcuts that they have loaded into the bot. And guys, if you use these throughout a release, things just go by so much faster. And we all know during releases when we're setting up for drops, every single second is valuable. So these shortcuts right here can save you a lot of time, and a lot of people probably don't even realize that they're there. But top right hand corner, shortcuts. Another thing that people don't use enough is this function right here that we looked at earlier, the calendar. Let's use a shoe that already released so we could see the sites. All you would hit was see details, and then it shows you all the sites that it releases on. You can create tasks extremely quickly, and this is just going to help you guys out a lot whenever you're trying to create tasks for release. So that's another function that a lot of people don't use. Right here we have our task group. As I mentioned, you can create multiple task groups. All you have to do is create a new task group, name it whatever you want. We'll name this one test, and then whatever site you were looking to buy, you can just scroll through and find it. That is so funny that they added Quokka to the task list. Kevin, George, you guys made it in Prism's tasks. That is so cool. I didn't know that until right now. But anyways, if you wanted to bot Quokka Brew, boom, you now just input your keywords right in there, and then that's all you have to do. So let's go ahead and input some keywords. As you guys see, Prism likes to have plus before the keywords, so we'll do plus smash, we'll also do like, and we'll do button, and then we'll just close that up. In case you guys didn't know, that means smash the like button. But anyways, moving on to the next feature that we can use Prism for. This is your profile tab, which holds all of your profiles that you will have in here. I currently have a lot of profiles in there. You can also group your profiles, super simple. All you have to do is control and then select your profiles, and then you can group as many as you want into different groups. This really helps when you're creating tasks, which is something I'll go over right now. In here, say you wanted to create a task, you wanted to create it for only specific profile groups, not a problem. If you've already grouped all of your profiles into whatever you want, you just go over here, select profile group, and then choose whichever one you want. Not a problem at all. You go through your steps, sizes, whatever you want to do, and then create your tasks. Not a problem at all. Very, very simple. Another thing that I want to touch on is task statistics. You guys can check down here while you're running. This will show you how many tasks you're running, how many have carded, successful checkouts, failed checkouts down here as well. So just another ease of life feature that Prism offers. The next task that we'll look at is the proxies. Not really much to do there, and I'm not going to show you all of my proxies either, because I need them to not be banned, and I need you guys to not steal my proxies. So unfortunately, I will not be able to show you those. The next tab that we're going to look at is the settings tab. This holds your webhooks, obviously your checkout sounds. Just for me, let's play the checkout sound one time. I think my favorite checkout noise. Prism and Valor's checkout noises are right there, but let's just take a quick listen. Perfect. I mean, you can't get much better than that. But this is where you can input your Discord webhook, your Slack webhook as well. Your options for your sites, you can go through and set specific ones. You can also create size groups here if you'd like to do that. You could create base sizes only and then specify what sizes those are, no problem there. Your shipping rates, obviously. Accounts is all of your accounts for Undefeated, for example. And your CAPTCHA harvesters. I'm going to blur all of this out as well, so you guys cannot see my proxies again. But you guys can scroll through all the different things here. You have checkpoints, CAPTCHAs, obviously all of that. You just scroll through whatever you need. Now, a lot of people may think that Prism is just shining on foot sites, and while it is a superior foot site bot, I can personally vouch for the Yeezy Supply module as well. I have used it on Yeezy Supply, Finish Line, and JD. I haven't had a ton of success on Shopify, but that's also because I don't use it very much on Shopify. So I'm sure that I will have great success on that. And another site that I don't really bot that I need to get into is Walmart. Prism absolutely destroys Walmart. I see Walmart success in the webhook all day long. So if you guys were looking for a Walmart bot, Prism would be a very good option for you guys as well to consider. So that is the review for Prism AIO. If I was going to rate Prism on a scale of 1 to 10, I would put it somewhere between the 9, probably 9.5 range. Some people may say an 8.5, but for me, Prism is a 9 or a 9.5. The only reason I say 9.5 instead of 10 is just because I haven't used the Finish Line and JD modules as much, because I have Valor for Finish Line and JD, and it does extremely well. It's tried and true. So I will use that in the future, and I will update you guys on the comment section down below whenever I do get to use the Finish Line and JD module. But overall, Prism is a very, very superior bot. If you're looking for a bot that does extremely well on all sites, this is the bot to go for. It's a true AIO bot. It also bots Supreme, and I've had success on Supreme with it as well. So if you guys are looking for a great all-in-one bot, a true all-in-one bot, I don't think you will find much better than Prism AIO. It is rather expensive, but shout out to Sol US, the Cook Group that sponsors and that partners up with Prism. You can even see it right over here, powered by Sol US. So stay linked in to both of their Twitter accounts, stay linked into my Twitter account as well, and I will try to alert you guys anytime that they restock. But that is it for the Prism AIO review. The next review we will have is Valor. So if you guys are excited for the Valor review, smash the like button and comment down below and tell me that you're excited for it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next one.